For this part, I will be using the Thunder T1 as an example. However, the Thunder T1 and Nebula N1 are exactly the same for this as well. Before riding, please make sure you always perform a safety check. You're going to be looking to make sure both brakes are functioning properly, all cables are in the right place and secured. You also want to check and make sure that the tires are fully inflated as well. For the electronics part, please make sure that the battery is fully charged and secured in place, then that the power on and off functions are working, and everything that's supposed to be displayed on the screen is displayed correctly. You may additionally also want to check that the walking assist feature is working as well. And also make sure that both the front and rear lights are working. In order to get the most mileage out of the battery, first, make sure that the tires are inflated to the proper level. Don't brake frequently and use the pedal assist when you can. Now do keep in mind there are many factors that will affect this range, such as weather conditions, the terrain you're driving on, and the rider weight. Please pay attention to the max load of 264 pounds for this bike. If you exceed this, you could cause damage to the bike and/or yourself. Because this is a pneumatic tire and leakage will occur naturally over time, we highly recommend that before and after riding, you check the tire pressure and make sure it is inflated correctly. For storing the bike, please make sure that you have charged the battery to 75%, you power off, and then make sure it is in a dry climate with temperature range of 50 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, please check on the bike once a month to make sure no damage has occurred. Even though the bike has an IP65 rating, we still don't recommend riding it in wet weather conditions. When riding the bike, please always pay attention to the condition of the road, as this will affect your braking speed. For riding the bike at nighttime, we've equipped it with both a front and rear light. Please note, additionally, we also have rear reflectors and pedal reflectors, followed up by a reflective panel on both the tires. This will help improve your visibility to other people at nighttime, but we still suggest that you wear protective clothing that is also highly visible. If you're going to park your bike outside, please make sure it's in a safe location away from anything that could cause damage to the bike. For transporting the bike, we highly recommend that you keep it away from other hard surfaces, as this could lead to damage to the bike. Furthermore, you should remove the battery to avoid accidental acceleration or damage. We would request that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and by clicking the bell icon, that will allow you to receive updates on all of our product information and anything else that our company would like to share with you. Once again, thank you.